we need to know that we have no restrictions and that we have complete freedom to work and develop to a higher level by using another set of tools. This is of particular importance, especially when dealing with more complex selections, such as changing backgrounds or composing, or, to put it succinctly, combining several images into one. Sometimes, we have to make not only basic selections, but also finer adjustments and precise changes in our handling of them, in which case we can use the Quick Selection tool. You can find it in the toolbar. After selecting the tool you want to make selections with, outline the part you want to change later. I'll go ahead and outline this part here. Once you've selected a tool, you can click Select and Mask, or go to the Select menu and choose Select and Mask. This will open up an extra window for you to work with, especially for the more precise settings in your selection work. On the left side, you will see tools that we can work with to improve the basic selection we've made. On the right are the settings that help us and that we will change to make our selections much more precise. Keep in mind that this additional window that opens will not change anything in the image itself. With this finer selection settings help, we will only finish the selection so that it's much more than just a rough selection. Let's begin from the top down. View mode is the view that will show the selected and unselected parts of the image. Let's select Overlay View. You can see that part of the image is red, and the rest is normal. That's because the part that is red is not included in our selection, and the part that's normal is the selected part of the image. The selection we made isn't perfect, but this is the place to fix it. To do this, we'll use the tools on the left that are the same as the toolbar in the Photoshop view, such as the Lasso tool, the Hand tool, and the Zoom tool, with which we zoom in and out. The other tools, from top to bottom, are the same. The Quick Selection tool, the tool with which we select things quickly. The second from the top is the brush that works specifically on the edges of the selection. And the third tool, in the middle, is the brush with which we add or remove parts of the selection. We use it when we want to correct what the selection tool has previously missed. For example, here we see that there are a few missed places. With this tool's help, we can fix the selection. That's enough for now. On the right side, you will see various settings with which we will familiarize you with later. We'll look at them in detail in a later tutorial. When we're done with the selection we have already completed, we go to the right side where it says Output, we'll choose Selection, and press OK. Then, Photoshop will close this window and return to the main view with an improved selection of the part of the image that we want to work on. You'll see the same walking ants outline that indicates what our selection is. When I'm ready with the changes I've made, I hit Ctrl and D or go to the Select menu and choose Deselect to deselect.